What's up guys, AndersCubes here, and today I wanted to talk about these two new lubricants. Now, they were released at US Nationals. No one's really been talking about it because it was just released, and it was posted on their Instagram, the Cubicle's Instagram here. So, when I saw this I was pretty excited because, you know, new lubricant is always exciting. We're going to call this blue and this yellow. We're going to talk about the details of these lubes and how it feels on each one. Let's get right into it. Alright, so starting off with the yellow lubricant. This is a silicone lube. As you can see, it's pretty standard. And it is basically, it makes the cube fast. I put it in this WAPO. Makes the cube fast and very smooth. Perfect if you want to lubricate a cube but not really mess around with how it feels out of the box. It's a silicone and it makes it feel pretty sticky. I met the creator, he said fast and sticky, kind of like gummy. So it's a fast gummy feel, and I really like it. That's why I put it in my 2x2. Obviously also to try it out. But yeah, that's basically the yellow lube. We don't know too much about these lubricants as they haven't been released yet, but I did get mine for about $2. Each one was about $2, so I'm not sure if they'll go in price, but yeah, it like this. Pretty standard lube, so we'll see how it does when it comes out. Now on to this blue lubricant. Now this one is special. It also makes the cube very fast, but very fast, liquidy, leaking like water fast. It's a water lubricant. It's one of the newest. There's only a couple water lubricants. I think Mystic is a water lubricant. The creator also said just a lot, really fast, and in my opinion, it makes the cube very slick. Kind of reminds me of DNM 37. It's very slick. I've only used it on my 4x4, and right now I've been loving it. It feels super nice, and I can the magnet still feels the same. It's just very smooth, and that's the thing about this one. Again, it looks the same, and yeah, I got mine also for about $2. So yeah, these two new lubricants are pretty exciting. These are the first two new lubricants of 2023, so we'll just have to see new details about it. I just told you how it was the day or 2 days after it's been released. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you like this, and comment down below which one do you think you'll like better, and are you gonna get your hands on these. Alright, see you guys later. Peace.